Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm back in the dollhouse, renovating and making over as usual, and I'm just showing you the frontage. I've pretty much kept the two trees outside the front door, but I have put a new handle on the front door and my spring into summer wreath. So the outside's looking ready. Let's have a look inside. Now, last time I showed you my kitchen remodel. So I took the lounge from downstairs and opened the space up into an open plan kitchen dining room, which I am very happy with. There are tweaks to be done and obviously restyling to be done, but that big job was completed last time, so go back and check that video out if you haven't seen it. It's in my dollhouse playlist. So let's have a look what's happening on the middle floor now. I haven't done major renovations. I've actually kept the bathroom very similar and just added a few pieces. But the big thing is that the bedroom is now the living room. So I've just kind of moved the furniture in and we'll see how it goes. So that will be the next makeover, but I've kind of made it habitable, which is what you do in your real house, isn't it? Like live with it and then change it. So I've kept the wallpaper, I've kept the settee. I have repurposed the coffee table from the upstairs area. I've added some travel destination vintage posters on the wall. I've kept the bookcase from the bedroom, so I think that equally works in a living room. I have got an Easter egg on there because it was dressed for Easter, but I have took those away since, and I will put something different in the pot on the table. I've kept that picture that I had before, but it might be a little bit too big for there now. And I've got my telly, which fits in nicely. Settee looks nice. I've done a little side table at the side of the settee so you can put drinks on. So it's just reworked a bit, and I've moved the carpet up into the living room as well. And I've kept the lampshade, but I do think I will change the wallpaper. I will, make some new furniture and change the layout. So that will be a future renovation. But for now, as I said, the living room is habitable and quite cozy, and doesn't really miss out on being a little bit smaller. I think it looks pretty good. And then in the bathroom, I did put those net curtains up. I don't know whether I'd showed that before. I've put my spring summer towels back in. I've done nothing with the shower. And I've still got my please seat yourself sign on the toilet. I've got a little laundry basket I've added by the side of the shower. That I think that used to be in the kitchen of my old dollhouse. And then I've just created a new pot plant area using some bottle tops. And then that little laundry basket I had was a bit too small, so I thought, well, that could be a toilet roll holder. So I've put the toilet rolls in there at the side of the toilet, put my little round mat in. So I've just kind of, tidied it up for spring. I've also added this cute little piece of jewellery on there, which is a little seahorse. So I thought that was quite fitting for the bathroom. So it's a bit of wall art. It could even be a hook that you could hang something on, but I've gone with wall art for now. And as I say, it may get a major renovation in the future because I do like to change things. But at the moment, it's a very nice bathroom. And I think it's quite good, but I could change it in the future as I have, new ideas and have a remodel. So that might be a future project to come. On to the main theme for today, which is the third floor, changing it. It used to be, I think I had it as an attic. Then, in fact, I had it as an office and my old furniture in from my first dollhouse. Then I just had it as an attic. Then it became the rooftop garden, which I really did love. But as I'd done it for every season, I thought I needed to do something different. So it's going to be the bedroom and office. To start off with, because it's in the roof, there's a sloping roof in there. I could take it off, but I think it looks a bit funny. So I shall leave the half sloping roof on. But it's got this pink which was the old roof. So I have to cover that. So I just got some of my trusty sticky marble paper and stuck that on. Then I set about doing various little things. So here I'm making a chair for the office. I absolutely love this. I love those pins. I use them all the time for chair legs and things. But I just got these beads and created these really cool legs. I'm really pleased with that. And then the seat, I just got a poster board, folded along in half and then covered it with my acrylic wood effect paper. So that went down really well. I moved the bed up from my old bedroom and put it on the other side. I used a rug that I had before as well, made a new little end of bed seating piece, which I'm quite pleased with. The office area. So I've got a little collection of plants there and flowers. And then I've got my chair, which I'm so pleased with. It was poster board sort of snapped in half and then covered with the acrylic paper, and then those lovely little legs that I fashioned for it. Then I've got my desk and my computer. Over this side, I've got a box of books and another box of office supplies. I've got a lovely sunflower poster there, and I made a little lamp for the desk as well, and a little notebook, and I think my pen pot's still on there. I might make a new desk, to be fair, so I just kind of stuck the old desk in for now, but it might be a bit small. And then my bedroom area, I think it looks so cosy. Got this lovely rug, the end piece, again using my favourite pins with a bead to make them look high end. Then I've got this little tray that I have made that previously, and I stuck all the things on, so that's really handy. It can go on the bed at the end of the night as well, or when you get into bed at night, and then move it back on during the day. I could even put a throw on there that could go on the end. I've got this little bedside table. I've got a little sunflower picture which mirrors the one over the other side, so I thought that kind of brings the two rooms together cohesively. So just a bit of poster board with the picture stuck on, and then some sticker put around the outside to make it look like a frame. And then I've got a sort of a crystal, which is a bit of objet d'art. And then on the other side, I've got a cup and a fashion magazine. And those two bedside tables were sort of poufets that I used in the rooftop garden, and I had previously used them in the old bedroom as storage boxes. So I have recycled those 3 times now. And as I say, I love the office area, although I made that desk small to fit in the living room, whereas I think I can afford now probably to make it a bit bigger, because you can see there's a bit of gap there, which I could put some units in and some things over here. So there's definitely space in this bedroom to do more. So it's almost like a part 1, really. I've made a good start, but I do feel like I could do a bit more, because what we don't have now is a wardrobe, because we have this sloping roof. I perhaps have to make some units or something to put things inside. So it's sort of finished, but as always, there's always more things you can add and make. It just does take an awfully long time and tinkering. And the thing I tend to do is I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to make until I kind of look at what I've got, and I kind of look through things and I think, oh, I know I could fashion it out of this. So it's all quite an organic process that I do. But I hope you enjoy seeing the finished article. And if you have any questions about anything that I haven't mentioned, please feel free to ask, or have a look back at the Dollhouse playlist. You might see some of the things that I've used before being made. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.